Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we are talking about green potatoes. You may have come across potatoes that have a greenish tint to their skin, and you might be wondering if they are safe to eat. In this video, we will explore the reasons why potatoes can turn green, and we will give you some tips on how to determine whether or not a green potato is still good to eat. Potatoes turn green when they are exposed to light. The green color comes from a pigment called chlorophyll, which is produced when the potato is exposed to light. This is the same pigment that gives plants their green color. So, is it safe to eat a green potato? The short answer is it depends. If the green color is just on the skin of the potato, it's usually okay to eat. Just cut away the green parts and cook the potato as you normally would. However, if the green color is throughout the potato, it's best to avoid eating it. Potatoes that are green all the way through may contain solanine, a toxin that can cause nausea, vomiting, and other symptoms if consumed in large quantities. How to tell if a green potato is safe to eat? If you are unsure whether a green potato is safe to eat, here are a few tips to help you determine its quality. 1. Cut away the green parts. If the potato is only green on the skin, cut away the green parts and check the inside of the potato. If it looks normal and doesn't have any green streaks, it should be safe to eat. 2. Check for softness. If the potato is soft or spongy, it's probably not safe to eat. Soft potatoes may be starting to rot and could contain toxins. Conclusion. In conclusion, green potatoes are usually safe to eat as long as the green color is only on the skin. Just be sure to cut away the green parts and check the potato for softness and strange smells before cooking it. If the potato is green all the way through or has a musty smell, it's best to throw it out to avoid any potential health risks. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more unknown mystery facts. Until next time.